Hi there. Thanks for joining me today. I thought this week on the newsletter I would share with you this short video, which I'm going to go over a few energetic exercises that I like to do each morning before I get into my work for the day. These exercises are part of Donna Eden's morning routine. And Donna Eden is an energetic healer woman. She has been able to see auras her whole life. And so these exercises, these energetic movements, are specifically designed to help increase your aura and bring you into your body. So we're just going to do a few of them. It's going to take you under 10 minutes. So I hope you can begin to incorporate this as part of your routine. So we're going to start just tapping on the space underneath the underneath the eyes, on the sort of cheekbones up there. So just taking a few taps here, feet are planted on the ground, breathing deeply. Beautiful breaths. And then we're going to move to the chest area, just inside, below the collarbones, in that soft, fleshy point. Just a few taps here. And then we're going to move to the center, to the chest bone there. This is the thymus point we're tapping on. Really good to help boost your immunity. And then we're going to take both hands and tap just below where your bra would end, or below where your ribs would end. So this is the 4 thumps that we just did on the bone underneath the eye, the soft point on the chest, the thymus, and this point here is the spleen point. All right, so shake that off. And then we're going to take the right hand, place it across your chest on the back, and we're just going to slide that across and shake it off. Switch hands. This is the crossover shoulder pull. We're going to do it 3 times. And last one. Beautiful. And then we're going to move into the cross crawl. So right hand to left knee, left hand to right knee. Again, 3 times. Right hand, left knee, left hand, right knee, right hand, left knee, left hand, right knee. Beautiful. Shake that off. And then we're going to move into what is called the crown pull. So we're going to start taking our hands right above our eyes, where our third eye chakra is, and just starting pressing and pulling gently there. We're opening up the brain, creating space. So moving up to the hairline, press and pull. Move just up above the hairline, press and pull. Continue to move through the scalp, press and pull. Press and pull. Allowing space, and it kind of feels pretty good too. So an extra bonus. Press and pull, and then to where the hair ends. And you can move a little bit slower or faster than me, whatever feels good to you. Press and pull along the neck. Shake it off one more time at the base of the neck. Press and pull. Beautiful. So the last one we're going to do is called Heaven and Earth. Arms by your side. Inhale up. Exhale, hands to heart center. And then on your next breath of inhale, right hand is going down, left hand is going up. Hands are facing the earth and the sky. Take a big stretch here, gaze up. Inhale back to center, switch hands, right hand up, left hand down, stretch. Inhale back to center, switch sides, left hand up. Inhale back to center, right hand up. Inhale back to center, one more, left hand up. Inhale, exhale, right hand up, and come back to center. Release your hands down by your side, and we're going to do two more, doesn't matter which hand, I like to switch hands, right hand at the belly button, pull it up the chest as if you're pulling up a zipper to the base of the chin. Lock it, throw away the key, switch hands, left hand up, lock it, switch, throw it away. One more time, right hand up, lock it, just to keep the energy inside. And last one finger in the belly button, one finger in the third eye chakra. Big breath in, pull, press in and pull up. Let it go. I like to switch hands. Press belly button, third eye chakra, and release. And one more. Press and pull. Beautiful. So just take a moment. Notice how you feel. That's a little energetic tune-up to get you started with your day. I'd love to know how you feel after this. And I'd love if you could try it out for a week and see if it makes a difference in your day. Thanks so much for joining me, and I look forward to speaking with you again soon.